Hello everybody! Today we're going to do a DIY Christmas ornament from something every household has, from a toilet paper roll. So we're segmenting the roll of toilet paper into stripes of about half an inch or 1 centimeter wide, squishing it flat and cutting those strips or rays or petals out. And it's gonna be a snowflake at some point. Half of those petals we are folding into two, creating smaller double petals like these. And then using glue or liquid nails, we connect the petals to each other and we can design our snowflakes differently with the small double petals inside the big ones or between the big ones. So there could be at least two designs of those snowflakes. I am sorry for my slightly harsh voice, but I decided to release this video anyway because by the time my voice comes to normal, Christmas might be over, so let's just do it as it is. So my toilet paper rolls happen to be white, which is very convenient, so I'm not going to be painting them. Don't ask me what type of toilet paper that was. But you can paint the snowflakes even with the paint that kids use for their art lessons, or you can add a little glue into the center, for example, like paper glue, and sprinkle some glitter on those snowflakes. That's what I'm gonna be doing. I will just sprinkle some glitter on them and make sure that it sticks. You can also spray paint them, or if you have some old glittery nail polish that you're not going to be using, that's also an option. I was just thinking, if you ever used glitter for your eyeshadows and you have a glitter glue for your eyeshadows but you don't think you're going to be using it again, that's another option where you can use it up so it doesn't go to waste. Now you will also need to attach a little hook to your snowflakes so you can hang them on your Christmas tree or wherever you want to hang them. And you can glue them to the snowflake or just like pin a little hole in the petal and just run your hook through that little hole, which I actually did later on. That makes them a little more kind of flexible when they are on the tree, for example, on the Christmas tree. But you know what? This video was actually filmed a couple years ago, and I stored those snowflakes with my other ornaments, and they are still alive and still looking fun and beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this short video. The idea is not mine, but I really liked it, and I hope you did too. So see you next time.